Are you stuck in a productivity slump? Emails overflowing, to-do lists endless, brain feeling like mush? Today we're exploring groundbreaking AI tools that will not just double but 10x your productivity, making you an ironclad asset for yourself or your company. Whether you're a professional, student, or just looking to streamline your daily tasks, we will be adding 5 incredible AI tools to your arsenal that are absolute game changers. But before we begin, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel as we strive to bring the latest and greatest from the world of AI. With that said, let's get straight to business. Number 5. V.io. Video editing is quite a tough job. It is both time-consuming and stress-inducing. But to make things easier, this AI video editor is poised to revolutionize any video editor's workflow. It's called V.io. What are the biggest video editing pain points, and how does V.io address them directly? Let's start with removing backgrounds. It is easier in case of images, but this tool nails the job for videos as well. Time-consuming and boring tasks like manual transcription can transcribe videos in over 70 languages with 95% accuracy. This can save hours of painstaking work. Need subtitles? Veed automatically generates them, even translating them on the fly for global reach. But it doesn't stop there. In terms of audio, this tool automatically cuts out ums, silences, and unwanted portions, ensuring the content is crisp and to the point. It also helps in generating scripts based on provided keywords, sparking engaging narratives in seconds. Video editors struggle to find captivating visuals? That painstaking task is made easier by just browsing through Veed's massive library of royalty-free stock footage and music, eliminating the need for expensive subscriptions. And for those extra polished touches, it's AI-powered intros and outros at professional flair with minimal effort. But the charm doesn't end there. V.io is always adapting, picking up on users' preferences and shaping itself to fit the particular editing style. It becomes more intelligent with usage, becoming a reliable guide and an extension of the user's imaginations. Collaborating on the most professional tools like Premiere Pro and DaVinci was not possible until last year. But V.io is more like Google Docs, where the whole team can collaborate and work together to make great content. While making this video, we analyzed some numbers and they surprised us. Veed users report a 70% reduction in video editing time. That's an extra 7 hours per week to focus on what truly matters. Similarly, 6 million videos have been created using Veed. Users rave about its ease of use and game-changing capabilities, boasting a 4.8-star rating on Trustpilot. Number 4. AHA Music. There's nothing that boosts productivity more than great music. One such tool is AHA Music. AHA Music can be accessed as a browser extension that allows users to identify songs playing on their browser tab and provides links to stream them on Spotify, YouTube, Deezer, and other platforms. It makes use of an intelligent method to detect music seamlessly. This method is called fingerprinting, and it involves analyzing a short snippet of the music, which is typically under 30 seconds, and extracting its unique acoustic fingerprint. This fingerprint is essentially a mathematical representation of the audio that captures its key characteristics like melody, rhythm, and timbre. It relies on an external service called ACR Cloud, which has a massive database of pre-computed audio fingerprints for millions of songs. When a user prompts AHA Music to identify a song, it analyzes the audio input, either recorded through your microphone or uploaded as a file, and extracts its fingerprint. This fingerprint is then compared against the ACR Cloud database to find the closest match. AHA Music now also boasts a new feature that can identify cover songs. Similar to the original song identification, it analyzes the audio and compares it to both the original song and various covers within its database. Number 3. Snove.io. Snove.io offers a suite of smart solutions that can significantly boost sales by 7x, saving time, effort, and missed opportunities. The suite may not comprise a 10x productivity increase, but its array of intelligent tools proves to be highly effective. With over 90% accuracy rates, users experience fewer bounces and an increase in quality leads within their pipeline. The AI writer within Snove.io crafts personalized email templates to meet the recipient list and style, ensuring authentic and eye-catching communications that lead to conversations without resorting to automated marketing. The drip campaigns maintain a meaningful dialogue, allowing users to plan customized email sequences, establish reply triggers, and never lose track of a hot lead again. The lightning-fast email finder retrieves concealed contact information from social media accounts, websites, and even email signatures, replacing hours of manual prospecting with the ability to quickly discover hundreds of qualified prospects. Snove.io facilitates the sharing of lead lists, tracking progress, and celebrating wins together. Established in 2015 by Vadim Shakarov and Alexander Podjursky, Snove.io is a company with its headquarters situated in Kyiv, Ukraine. Snove.io has garnered recognition from prestigious publications such as Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Inc. magazine. The company has also achieved significant financial backing, securing over $10 million in funding to support its growth and innovative endeavors. Number 2. Jasper. Writers often end up brain-muffled, short on both ideas and words. For such situations, Jasper can come to help. Jasper is an endless AI writer equipped with an infinite source of inspirations and is accessible through an intuitive user interface. Examining the numbers and statistics sheds light on how Jasper has the potential to significantly enhance the quality of one's material. For those grappling with crafting engaging email subject lines or elusive blog post intros, Jasper comes to the rescue. Its AI-powered blog post intro and long-form content features generate attention-grabbing openings that set the tone for compelling material. Simultaneously, the writer tool transforms seed ideas into fully developed content, spanning product descriptions, marketing copy, and social media posts. Also, Jasper can write in multiple languages. With its multilingual capabilities, it empowers users to produce content in over 25 languages. Its extensive library of content templates cater to diverse needs, spanning website copy, landing pages, video scripts, and even musical lyrics. Regardless of the content format, Jasper offers a template to kickstart the creative process. Jasper is a highly business-focused tool, which means that it emphasizes greatly on users' privacy and security. This means that users can securely upload vital information about your business in a packed arena of possibilities. The other great thing about this tool is optimization. It can do SEO of your content strategically to achieve the ranking position on page 1. Boasting over 80,000 active users and counting, AI's popularity speaks volumes. Users commend its ease of use, effectiveness, and the creative freedom it unlocks. According to a survey, consumers reported generating 38% more material and requiring 47% less time to create it. With different plans featuring varying features and capabilities, users can choose the one that best suits their needs and usage. Jasper.ai was founded in 2021 by Chris Hull and Dave Rogenmoser. They were inspired by the potential of generative AI in 2020. They saw the impact it could have on content creation and marketing, as they had first-hand experience with the challenges marketers face in keeping up with content demands. The idea of Jasper started as a way to create and test ad variations, but they quickly realized its potential in long-form content and expanded into the AI text-based content creation space. Number 1. Blue Willow. Text to image. We have a plethora of tools to get the job done. But if photorealism is the top priority, then Blue Willow shines bright because it is amongst the few tools that also provide free access to its core abilities. For those new to creating AI-generated images, Blue Willow is the recommended choice. Blue Willow can be accessed exclusively through Discord. It is important to state that people who use Discord for the first time might need to spend some time familiarizing themselves with the Discord platform. Blue Willow serves as an excellent introductory tool to become comfortable with the AI process without spending any money. Users can delve into the world of Blue Willow, exploring its functionalities and capabilities after they are invited to join the Discord server. The next step is to type /image in the dedicated #rookie channel, where they will be presented with a canvas for their prompts. Users also get the option to tweak their prompts to generate new versions until their vision comes to life. This iterative process is similar to a painter refining their strokes. As artists know, they thrive on connection, and Blue Willow brings a vibrant community where creators can share their work, inspire each other, and learn from experienced users. But is this tool for everyone? The answer is no. We don't recommend this tool to people who are seeking to produce more intricate and visually stunning images. The recommendation shifts towards Mid-Journey. Having established its presence in the AI-generated images domain for a considerable period, Mid-Journey is recognized as a veteran, devoid of bugs that a user might encounter while using Blue Willow. While it does come with a cost, it stands out for its reliability and capability to generate remarkable imagery that users will appreciate. Bonus pick, Exico. Time is money, and Execo knows it. This nifty tool boasts features that can save users over 3 hours every day by taking on their most laborious tasks. Let's dive into the details. With its array of features, this efficient tool swiftly generates personalized drafts in a matter of seconds, whether it's a client follow-up, meeting request, or a complex inquiry. By slashing email composition time by a staggering 70%, beyond crafting emails, it harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to provide instant summaries of web pages, reducing users' research time by half. For those seeking additional details, Execo is ready to field follow-up questions, delivering precise answers complete with cited sources, ensuring an impressive 85% accuracy on factual information. But it doesn't stop there. It seamlessly handles repetitive tasks such as data entry, calendar management, and scheduling. Long story short, it aces at automating 20% of a user's daily workload. While using such platforms that take complete control of browser, security, and privacy remains the main concern. In an answer to an FAQ, the makers of this tool claim to take security very seriously. They also claim to have employed very strict measures to ensure users' privacy. Not only that, they pledged never to sell users' data to third parties. With that, we conclude today's video. Subscribe to AI Symbiosis for more AI news and updates. Which AI chatbot is best for you? Which one has the upper hand on the other, and in what domain? To find out, please click on the video popping up as we compare Google Bard, Bing Chat, and ChatGPT. We'll see you there in a second. See ya!